I'm NASA Kennedy's Annie Meyer, and this is Kennedy Countdown. Scientists at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida are evaluating data from the Orbital Syngas Commodity Augmentation Reactor, or OSCAR, which launched on Blue Origin's 17th New Shepard mission from West Texas. OSCAR evaluates technology to convert trash and human waste generated during spaceflight into useful gases such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and methane. Launching with OSCAR was an electrostatic regolith study from the University of Central Florida and supported by researchers at Kennedy. The electrostatic regolith interaction experiment, or ERIE, was designed to study charged dust behavior in microgravity. Both the OSCAR and ERIE demonstrations were launched as part of NASA's Flight Opportunities program. Teams at Kennedy have completed the launch abort system assembly for the Orion spacecraft. The last of the 4 protective panels of the ogive fairings was installed at the Florida spaceport this week. The task represents a major milestone for the agency's Artemis I launch, scheduled for later this year. The lightweight fairings will shield the crew module from severe vibrations and sounds during launch. The launch abort system is intended to protect astronauts on future missions. In the unlikely event of an emergency during liftoff or ascent, the system will pull the spacecraft away from a failing rocket. To keep up with Kennedy, check us out on social media at nasa.gov/Kennedy.